So today we're going to do a tabletop lettuce garden, and we've got some lettuce seeds, we've got lettuce red salad bowl and lettuce red salad bowl and green mix, and we're going to make this nice and easy. We're not using any plastics, we're just using the bag of compost. So we've just got normal peat-free premium compost, and we're making a bed just from the bag. So what I'm going to do is just shuffle this bag up, make it loose, and then I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to dab a few holes for drainage. There we go, quick and simple. That is our bed. So I'm just going to cut a square for our planting. So this will save bending down, doing it on the tabletop. And an easy way to grow. It's an easy way to sow your lettuce, and this can also be done with radish or mustard. There we go. We've got our bed, and what I'm going to do is just add some tape just to strengthen our bag. It's not necessary, but this will just strengthen it a little. Just using tape. There we go. And the last one, straight across there. So there we go, we've already got our bed. So I'm just moving it about, just making sure it's not rock hard, and then we can directly sow our seeds onto our bed. This can sit on the table, on a balcony, any kind of worktop. We're going to sow then direct straight onto our bed. Broadcast them. That's the red one. And then you do the green one on the other side. Half and half. You could do radishes, do spinach. Sprinkle them in. There we go, and these are all cut and come. So when they're grown, you can just come, take a leaf or two. This is salad bowl, red and green mix. Attractive oak leaf shape, slow to bolt. We've got our seeds. Just gonna pat them over just so they're slightly covered. There we go. And then we're gonna give it water. And that's going to sit up there and grow. Nice and easy, quick job. Job done. So keeping your compost bag on a table high up, you can easily just come, harvest a few leaves and go again. No need to bend down. Within a few weeks, you've got a nice harvest of salad leaves.